Hey there, my name's Grant and welcome to Tella. Tella is a collaborative video editor that lets you create and share video from the comfort of your web browser. People use Tella for all kinds of different videos. People make product demos, company announcements, onboarding videos, how-to videos, investor pitches, sales pitches. People also use Tella to add video content to their blogs or newsletter. Let me show you how it works. So here we are in the Tella editor, and we've got a video that we're working on. You can see that we've got a camera recording there and some text on screen. Now, if we wanted to modify this, we could go ahead and add other video content like recordings or uploads. We can add GIFs, stickers, images, shapes, text, and even call to action buttons. On the canvas, you can select any layer, move that around so that you can design the layout the way you want. And then we can open up the timeline to fine-tune our video a bit more. When we open up the timeline, you can see that our video is split into two scenes. We've got a scene for this week's update, and then we've got a scene for next week's update. Within each scene, you can just modify the timeline as you would with any kind of regular video editor. So we can trim and split our layers. So let's say we want to bring this text layer in a little bit later. We can just trim off the start there. And now when we play that back, you can see that that'll come in a little bit later. So if we wanted to make this a little bit more interesting, let's go ahead and add a sticker, maybe like a wave. And there we go. So we've added that wave there. We can put that in the right spot on the canvas. That's pretty good. But that's not exactly what we want on the timeline. So let's go ahead and put that at the start and trim off some of this so that it aligns with the text layer. So now when we play that back again, it looks the way we want to. You don't have to leave that up there. You can go and put this right in there and play a bit of timeline Tetris, so to speak. So the next cool thing about Tella is that everything is remixable, so to speak. So you can copy and paste and reuse content from any video that you like. So starting with scenes, if I wanted to use this scene as a basis for another scene, I can just select that, hit Command-C, Command-V to copy and paste it, Control-C, Control-V if you're on a Windows, and now I've got a copy of that scene where I can go ahead and replace any of that content that I want. It's not just limited to scenes, so if we wanted to reuse some of the layers within a scene, we can go ahead and just drag to select a bunch, copy, and then let's just paste them at the end there, and there we go. Now we've got a complete duplicate of all those layers. But copying and pasting stuff, reusing stuff is not just limited to within a video. If you want to reuse some content in here, but in another video, you can do that too. So let's say we wanted to take this video and we wanted the logo and maybe the title. We can now hit Command-C to copy, jump into our blank canvas here and paste all of that in here, let it load a sec, and now we've got all of this that we can reuse in a completely different video. So Tella makes it easy for you to never really need to have to start from scratch. You can reuse content over and over. The next cool thing about Tella is that it's completely collaborative. So if I wanted to invite my co-founder Michiel to record his update for next week's plan, I could just send him the link and then he can go ahead and do that. So let's take a look at how that works. Here we can see Michiel jumping into that scene, and now he's changing the text to Michiel's update. He's also renaming the scene, so that's clear. And now he's going ahead and recording his own message for the update. So he's replaced that video that was in there originally. He gets a countdown, and now he can go ahead and say his update. So finally, everything in Tella happens in real time. So once you've shared a video with your viewers or you've embedded it on your blog or website, if you need to update it, you can do that whenever you like. So we've got our video here in view mode. And if we pause that and jump back into edit mode, we can go and say, move this title over here. That's not exactly the prettiest spot, but if we jump back into view mode, you can see it's already happened there. We don't need to change the link or reshare it all these changes happen in real time. So this saves you having to worry about getting everything exactly perfect or needing to re-export or redistribute if you've made a mistake and need to fix it. You can do it whenever you like. So that was a super quick introduction to Tella. In case you were wondering, everything that you've seen in this video was made and edited using Tella as well. We're super excited to share the beta with you, and we can't wait to see what you make and hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.